This planet is diverse. It's unlike anything we have experienced. We are recruiting experts like yourself to adequately plan for a move to Mars. Geologists will be needed to determine landforms. Where will our first civilization begin? Climatologists will be needed to communicate weather patterns and atmospheric conditions. Engineers in diverse fields will be needed to design living quarters, determine transportation needs, and plan for the sustainability on this planet. Our planning must meet every need of a human being as we move to Mars. So get ready to plan, to build prototypes, to collaborate, and to discover.